Today, we're going to take a look at 2 organizational tips for your computer. Hi, I'm Charlie with TechNav, where we empower people to live their best life with technology. On Tech Tips, we give tech advice through videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Today, we're talking about keeping your data organized and tackling the major problem areas that we see. The first area we're going to look at is the Downloads folder. When I say Downloads folder, I mean the default folder where all of your internet downloads go to. So pictures, music, movies, Word documents, whatever else you got. The best way to clear out your Downloads folder is to go to My Documents and create some more folders for different projects or different categories. What you can then do is cut and paste from your Downloads folder into those areas. So this is going to help you organize your data and clear up that Downloads folder so it's not impossible to find stuff. Then of course anything that doesn't fit into a category or you don't need, go ahead and delete it. So then once a week or every other week, you can go into your Downloads folder, do this organization, and delete the rest. This is really going to help you in the long run. The desktop's the first thing you see when you turn on your computer, so it's usually the first sign that there's something gone wrong. So with desktop, we're going to do a lot of the same stuff we did with downloads. Anything that's a document that doesn't need to be there, we can categorize and throw it in the My Documents folder. And what's left should be stuff that you use 80% of the time on your computer. If you use it less than that, there's probably a better place for it. Following these steps will give you a minimal and clean screen to look at. Some studies even suggest that using a simple background image could reduce stress and increase productivity while working on your computer. And I agree with that point just based on personal experience. If I have a background image that changes every 30 seconds to a new picture versus having one calm picture on the background, it makes a big difference in how I can get stuff done. If you have programs on your desktop that you've not even used since you bought the computer, it's probably a good time to go ahead and uninstall those. So backups and data organization go hand in hand. The main reason is this. If you have a lot of data being backed up automatically, and then you're trying to find something specific after a crash or a recovery, how are you going to find that data? If you've implemented an organized folder system, then 2, 5, 10 years down the road, when you're looking for a specific piece of data, you'll be able to find it a lot more easily when everything is organized. For instance, say there's a photo from when your family went to the beach 5 years ago, and you really want to find that one picture. So if you have a pictures folder, and it's just got 2,000 pictures, and no labeling, no foldering, or anything, it's going to take you a little while to find that one picture. On the other hand, if all of your folders are organized by date, year, or subject material, you'll be able to find it in a minute or two. So what should you back up? Well, anything you can't live without. If your computer was gone tomorrow, what would be on there that you need the most? That's what you need to back up. If you're not sure how to proceed with backups, we'll link our recommended solutions below. That's all for now on Tech Tips. Be sure to check back in every week for more Tech Tips videos.